In this video, I'll show you how to convert TRX to USDT and Trust Wallet. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. The first thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Trust Wallet account. Once you're in your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to go right down here to the bottom of the screen and tap on Swap. And from here, since we want to convert TRX or Tron into USDT, we're going to go right over here to the From section and tap on this arrow right here next to USDC. And right over here where it says Ethereum, we're going to tap on this arrow next to whatever network it shows for you. And we're going to look for the Tron network. You can do that by scrolling through the list or searching in the search bar up top. Tap on Tron. And right here where it says search token, we're just going to type in TRX. Then tap on TRX or Tron. Next, in the To section, we're going to tap on this arrow right here where it says ADA. And right here where it says Cardano, we're going to tap on this arrow next to it. And we're going to look for the TRX network again. And again, you can do that by going through the list or searching in the search bar up top. Tap on Tron. And since we want to convert it into USDT, we're going to go right over here to the search bar. Search for USDT. Scroll through the list until you see USDT on the Tron network. Tap on that. Now right up here, we're going to enter in the amount of Tron that we want to convert into USDT. For example, if I wanted to convert 200 TRX into USDT, this is how much it would give me. And right here where it says provider fee, this is how much we would pay in fees. If everything looks good to you, you would go down here, proceed with the transaction, confirm it, and that is how to convert TRX Tron to USDT in Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel.